Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's discussion session wherein we are going to discuss the CAT 23 paper, the slot 2 paper particularly, CAT 23 slot 2 paper, the QA section. So as you all know, we had 22 questions. This one is on a rectangle. So if you look at this, it says in a rectangle ABCD, AB is 9 centimeter and BC is 6 centimeter. This is 9 and this is 6 centimeter. P and Q are points on BC such that the areas of ABP, so ABP, APQ, APQ and AQCD. So if you just notice, APB will be this right angle triangle, APQ will be this triangle, the second triangle, and AQCD will be this quadrilateral. They are in GP. The areas of these three are in GP. So this and this will be in geometric progression. If the area of AQCD is 4 times the area of ABP, so for example, if I take ABP as some x square units, this is going to be 4x square units. And since they are in GP, if this is x, this is 4x, can I say the middle number will be 2x square units. The area will be 2x square units. Then the area of ABP, is 4 times the area of ABP. Then BP is to PQ is to QC is how much will be the value. Okay, let's do some construction here. If I connect A with C, so can I say this diagonal will divide this overall rectangle into 2 equal parts? Now right now can I say the overall area of rectangle will be how much? Please note, this is x parts, this is 2x parts, the second triangle, and this quadrilateral overall is 4x, so it is 4x plus 2x plus x, 7x parts. So if that is 7x, please note, overall this quadrilateral is 4x. So out of that, can I say this triangle ADC will be half of this 7x, so 3.5x. And hence, can I say this triangle here, the triangle AQC is going to be 0.5x. Can I say this? The diagonal will divide the rectangle into 2 equal parts. Overall area of the rectangle is 7x. So this triangle will have 3.5x and hence this triangle AQC will have 0.5x. Next, please notice that the triangles ABP, APQ and AQC, these 3 triangles, they have same heights. All of them, the height is AB. If triangles have same heights, can I say the ratio of areas will be equal to ratio of the bases. So hence can I say the ratio of the bases BP is to PQ is to QC will be equal to simply the ratio of the areas, which is x is to 2x is to 0.5x, which is 1 by 2x. Multiply throughout by 2 and cancel out this x. We get 2 is to 4 is to 1. 2, 4, 1 is going to be the correct answer. Alright, so this way we can answer this question from geometry area. See, not so difficult if you have this basic idea about rectangles and this triangle, that if heights are equal then the area ratio will be equal to base ratios.